The climate in India is characterized by changes of season. Generally, it can be said that India has a monsoon type of climate. Temperature and rainfall are the two major elements of climate. In India, the distribution of temperature and rainfall is not uniform. Some places are very hot during summer and very cold in winter, while others have equable temperatures. There are some places in India like Mawasyanram and Cherrapunji in Meghalaya which receive heavy rainfall. Whereas, some places like Bikaner, Jaipur and Jodhpur in Rajasthan receives very low rainfall. Mawasyanram records the highest rainfall not only in India, but also in the world. Some places have floods due to heavy rains while some other have drought due to no rainfall. The following factors influence the climate of our country. 1. Latitudinal extent. 2. Altitude, height above the sea level. 3. Distance from the sea. 4. Direction of mountains. And 5. Surface winds. Our country has 5 seasons, 3 main and 2 brief seasons. The main seasons are summer, rainy and winter, and the brief seasons are autumn and spring. Main seasons. The summer season. The summer season starts in the month of March and ends in June. The entire country, except the mountains, experiences a hot and dry weather. Hot and dry winds called Lu blow in the northern plains. Dust storms are frequent in May and June. The southern part of India is less hot because cool winds coming from the sea keep the coastal areas cool. The rainy season. The rainy season comes after the summer season. It starts in June. The rainy season continues up to the beginning of October all over India. In this season, the entire country comes under the influence of the monsoon winds. These winds blow from the adjoining seas towards the land. As monsoon winds are full of moisture, they cause rainfall in the country. The southern state of Kerala receives the first rainfall of the monsoon. By the middle of July, the whole country is covered by the monsoon. Monsoon rainfall is accompanied by thunder and lightning. The western coast and the northeastern states receive heavy rainfall. As the monsoon advances, it loses its moisture. So the amount of rainfall decreases towards the interior. Rajasthan, Rann of Kutch, Deccan Plateau and Coromandel Coast remain almost dry during this season. After the rainy season, the monsoons begin to retreat. During October and November, there is a period of transition between hot and humid rainy season and dry winter season. The winter season. The winter season starts in the second week of November and lasts till February. Days and nights remain very cold during this period in the northern India. December and January are the coldest months of the year. The coastal areas, however, remain equable. Mountains have extreme cold. The winter season is generally dry. There is some rainfall in December and January from the cyclonic depressions in the northern India. The Tamil Nadu coast receives most of its rain in this season because the winds blowing over the Bay of Bengal pick up moisture before hitting the coastal areas. The high mountains have snowfall. Brief seasons. Autumn. Autumn is one of the 5 seasons in India. It is a transition period from rainy season to winter. It is a season after the rainy season and before the winter season. In the month of October, November and December, most plants shed their leaves. This is autumn season. Spring. In most of the places, winter season is followed by spring. This season falls during the months of March and April. It comes after a long period of 4 months of winter season. Spring season is called the Queen of Seasons. In the spring season, temperature becomes moderate and the surroundings looks green and colorful because of the blooming trees and flowers.